Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to take a screenshot in Microsoft Windows. There are a few ways that you can do it, and they're pretty awesome and very easy. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we do, guys, we are a brand new channel, so please consider subscribing, liking. It just helps us out, and it's free, so make sure you hit that subscribe, like button. Okay, so let's get into our tutorial. So the first tool that I want to discuss is called the Snipping Tool, which is an inbuilt screenshot tool which is in Microsoft Windows. So just go to your search. Okay, just go to search and just type in Snipping Tool. So there we go, it's already inbuilt. So you will see a window like this that opens up. So let's just try to take a screenshot. So this is just the screen, just a news article which I would like to take a screenshot of. Okay, so let's just say I want to take Mr. Musk over here. So just click on the snipping tool. You see it automatically comes in your taskbar. So just click that, click on new, and then all you got to do is just highlight it. And that's it, it's done. And automatically it will basically open in a in a very basic edit view. So here you can add some lines if you like. You can do some highlighting of some particular text that you like. You can erase it. You can add a foot ruler if you like. And then once you are ready, all you got to do is you can save it. Okay. So I'm just going to save it in my download screenshot. Okay. Saved. And that's it. So close, and then you can just go on your download folder just like that, and there you go, it's now saved. Okay, so that's tool number one, which is the snipping tool. The second one that I want to discuss is actually built in Windows browser. So Windows Edge browser, you will actually find the snipping tool already built in. So once you open your page, just right click, go to web capture, and then you basically have two options. So you got capture the area, so you can capture a particular area, right? So you can just capture this. Okay, again, once you capture it, you can copy this over here, or you can have basic edit again. So there we go. Again, you just got a very basic editing tool. You can draw, you can choose your color just like that, and you can then share this, you can copy it, you can save it. Okay, I'm just going to close this. The other option is, what if you just want to take a screen capture of the entire page or the entire document? So basically you just right click again, go to web capture, and then just click on capture full page. So as you can see, now it's basically taken the entire page. So again, you can just save this, you can copy this, or you can share this. Okay, so that's option number two. Option number three is your good old Microsoft PowerPoint. So go to search, just type in PowerPoint. We all know PowerPoint. So your PowerPoint is open, just open a blank new presentation, and then go on insert, and then here you can see you've got screenshot. So basically what you can do here is you can insert a particular document that you've saved already, and once you insert that document, you can do a lot of edit on it. Okay, so I've just saved this and then I've inserted this. And now let's say I want to add some, I don't know, I want to add some color. Uh, let's go to design, not design. Let's go to insert. And I want to insert a chart. So I'm just going to click on a chart, whatever. And there you go. The chart has come in. I can shrink the size of the chart. I can insert a shape. So let's say I want to insert a rectangular shape. So I just draw this. So basically, once you take a screenshot, you insert it in your PowerPoint, and then you can add a whole lot of stuff inside. As I said, you can insert arrows, you can insert diagrams, you can insert chart, you can insert color and things like that. So pretty cool feature that Microsoft already has inbuilt. Okay, and the last one, which is the best one, is called ShareX. So for this one, we need to go and download a document, actually an application. It's called ShareX. So I'm just gonna do ShareX download. I'm gonna leave the link for you guys in the description, so no worries on that. And then once you go there, now I have already downloaded it, so it's already there on my PC. But you will basically get like a document which you'll basically get like a thing which says download it. Okay, so just download it. It's a very small file, just 1 MB. So just download it. Once you download it, you can just go to your search and just type in ShareX. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna quickly go through it. I'm not going to spend too much time because there's a whole lot of things that you can do with ShareX. It's pretty crazy actually, but just click on capture and you can see you can capture a full screen. You can capture a window which is already open. You can capture a monitor. So sometimes, you might have 2 or 3 monitors, right? So you might have like your laptop, and then you might also have like another screen. So you can, you can select. Right now, I've just got 1 monitor open. You can select a particular region. So you can see a whole lot of stuff, options that you have. Let's just do a quick screen capture because I want to show you something really cool that this one has. So let's just say I've got this document which I want to screen capture, right, using ShareX. So I'll just go here in my icon tree. I'm just going to click that, and as you can see, it's already here because I already downloaded it. So once I just click this, you can see a whole lot of different editing tools open up. So I'm just going to show you a couple of them, which is pretty cool. So let's say if I want to have an emoji. So I just click on emoji. I just click here. It gives me a whole list of options. There you go. So now in my screen capture, I can actually have an emoji. I can drag it and put it wherever I like. I can put a step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you made a screen capture and you want to show some steps, you can do that as well. If this is a speech balloon, so I just click that and it opens a window, and I just say, let's say hello, and then okay. So here we go. I've got like a little little balloon, which again I can drag and put it wherever I like. I can blur the text, which is pretty awesome. So let's say this one, I just want to blur it. So there we go. It's blurred now. Let's say I want to pixelate a particular, here I've selected the whole thing. 1 second. Okay, so let's say I want to blur this, so I just blur this, right? I want to pixelate particular text, so I can just select this and it's pixelated. As I said before, just do emojis. You can do some steps. So 1, 2, 3. You can do like a so a whole lot of options, guys, in this one. So just make sure that you check ShareX out. I will leave the download link in the description, and yeah, feel free to check it out, because I'm sure you guys will be happy. I'm not going to go too much deep into ShareX, because that's like a totally different video. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and yeah, and make sure that you guys subscribe, like, because yeah, it just helps us out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye now.